In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix Brawl Stars crashing on Android. Before we get started with the video, please don't forget to give this video a like, share, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to keep updated with our latest videos. Now to get started, the first thing that you'll need to do is to open your device. On your Android device, you'll be able to find your app icon. Click on Brawl Stars app icon and click on app info, and this will take you to the app info section of Brawl Stars. Now once you're in this area, just go ahead and click on the clear data button, which you'll find at the bottom right of your screen, and click on clear cache to be able to clear all of the information stored on your device concerning this application. So clearing the data of the application will allow you to reset the application on your device. So once you have done that, just go ahead and reopen the app and re-sign into your account and try if the issue still persists. If the issue persists, click on the uninstall button and install Brawl Stars on your device. Uninstalling the app will allow you to remove the app on your device. Once you have uninstalled the app, just go ahead and reopen the Play Store application on your device and reinstall Brawl Stars all over again on your device. After you have reinstalled Brawl Stars, sign in to your account on the application and check if the same issue still goes on for your device.